Prepare cables and tools. You are advised to pause the video or take a screenshot. Operation process. Route the cable through an AC connector. Strip the output power cable to an appropriate length and ensure that it is not broken. Strip the wires. Do not damage the wire core. Mount the cord end terminals onto the stripped wires. Crimp the terminals with a cord end terminal crimping tool. Do not partially crimp the cord end terminal. Remove the dustproof cap. Connect the wires to the AC output port. Tighten with a hex key. Secure the AC connector. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. RCD rating is greater than or equal to N multiplied by 300 mA.